Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to change the default payment method on ParkMobile. Now if you want to update or change your default payment method on ParkMobile but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now the first thing which you need to do is download the ParkMobile app on a device. So if you have not downloaded, you may simply download it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you need to open the ParkMobile app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you may click on the option of sign into your account by going on settings and you may log into your account. So after that, you need to go on the account settings at the very bottom right. So click on the option of settings and here you will see the option of three lines which will be at the very left corner. So click on it and from the drop down you need to select the option of account. So in the account section, you need to select the payment method or the payment information. So it may depend on the version of your app. So you'll see the list of your saved payment method like debit card, credit card, or PayPal, Apple Pay, or etc. So to change the default payment method, you need to tap on the option of edit or manage next to the payment method you have set as a default. So you need to change the payment method and you need to make default and click on the option of set as default. After that, if you have updated your default payment method, then you need to save the changes and you'll be able to use the new payment method for making further parking payments. So by doing all of it, you may simply change default payment method on ParkMobile. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.